Mm. Well, people keep asking me again, despite the fact that I have all these talks about predicting and stuff like that, what's my prediction? It'll never change. But listen, you don't start turning around right away after a violent crash like this. It just doesn't happen. It's never happened. It never will happen. All right. So, do I believe that there's lower prices to come? Absolutely. Absolutely. Do I think things get worse before they get better? Absolutely. Do I think that in the interim we get some strong, compelling, Superman-like bounces to the upside that make people think like, wow, things are really better now? Yes. That's always the scenario. I've been through enough of these to know the play. It's like reading the same script over and over again. You know? It's too early to be thinking like things have turned, way too early. And so, yeah, if you force me to say something about what I think the future might hold, we're going lower. You know, there's a good possibility that next week as you see some strong bounces to the upside, we're still going lower. That's my take on things. So you can't get suckered in by those temporary brief periods. You know, and remember, we're at the end of the day, guys, we are playing people, right? So what I mean by that is at the end of the day, you have to understand that so many people have been devastated financially by this, that any bounce is an opportunity that they get part of their money back. So they're like, sell. So bounces bring more sellers into the market, which crushes the market more. Do you understand? So until we get out of that phase, until we get rid of all the people waiting for a bounce to sell, turns can't happen. Do you understand what I'm saying? Turns don't happen when you still have people saying, I'm praying for a bounce. At least I want to get 20% of my money back. At least I want to get half of my money back. Oh my God. Can I just get a bounce? Can it just come up a little bit so I can diminish my losses a little? Until you get rid of all of those people, you don't get a strong move, a real move to the upside. They have to be gone. They have to be eliminated. They have to get out of the way. And it is only when they get out of the way do moves to the upside have the chance of being real. We're not playing companies. We're not playing numbers. We're playing human psychology. Never forget that. And the moment you leave the concept of human psychology in your approach and start trying to figure things out mathematically or numerically, that's when you start to get lost in this. It's always clearer when you think, what would you do if you just got sucker punched by the market? You would sell on every bounce. You would get out. That's clear. If you were a firm that lost $5 million last week and you get 2 million of it back on a bounce, it's not rocket science. Oh, here we go again. Limit down tomorrow at the open. This is the stuff you don't need to do, guys. What benefit is that? I don't get it. What benefit is knowing that? Who cares? All right, we'll play it how it opens. You know. There's no benefit in that. That's just useless games. You know? That's Facebook chat room stuff.